Hello, welcome to YouTube. My name is Cham Kwasniak. In today's topic, I want to talk about the benefit of creating a YouTube channel. I prefer 5-way benefit of creating a YouTube channel. Before we proceed, I would like you to subscribe to this channel and please share some information with me on the comment section below. Subscribing on this YouTube channel, it will help me to make more video like this one. Okay, let's get into the topic. Here are the 5 benefits of creating a YouTube channel. Number 1 benefit: creative expression. A YouTube channel allows you to share your ideas. It allows you to share your talent. It also allows you to share your passion with the global audience, providing a platform for creative expression in various forms such as videos, tutorials, or vlogs. A person who has an idea of creating content can simply express his or her creativity within YouTube. Benefit number 2: potential income stream. Potential income stream. A successful YouTube channel can be able, to generate revenue through ads, sponsorship, affiliate marketing, and merchandise sales. It can offer a potential source of income to you. You need to know this benefit. It is very important. Potential income stream where you can be able to generate revenue. Benefit number 3: building a community. By creating content that resonates with viewers, you can build a loyal and engaged community around your channel, fostering connection with people who share similar interests. This is one of the benefit also. You can build a community. Number 4 benefits on creating a YouTube channel is skill development. Managing a YouTube channel helps you develop a range of skills, including video editing, content creation, marketing, communication, and project management, all of which can be valuable in other areas of life. Benefit number 5: personal branding and opportunities. A YouTube channel can enhance your personal brand, showcasing your expertise and creativity. This visibility can lead to new opportunities such as collaboration, speaking engagements, or even career advancement of interest.